how to send a direct message an Instagram account without following them. So yeah guys, let's start the video. So guys, what you need to do first step is this: you will log in your account in your browser. So first of all, you will open a Chrome or any kind of browser, and then you will open your account. Then after that, once you can open the account, you will go the direct message send, and then tap on the search bar right here. You will find that account, private account. After that, once you will find, you're gonna tap on that. After that, it will open and you can see the DM is right now on. So I will able to send this message. Tap on this send. After that, this message will be sent on this account. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. If this video was helpful for you guys, so please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you guys in the next video. Bye.